batch, of course. And we need to make sure na manufacturing um, instructions are done, especially yung mga connections natin dyan, yung water supply, the chemicals, and the time bound of the um, process of washing. After that, once na we pull out it from the extractor, we put it on our dryer. Make sure also that the count of the weight must be properly monitored so that pare-pareho yung pagkakaroon nila ng drying, and we make sure na it is properly timed. And also next, after that we put it on the